What's up everyone, it's Jason here from Red Bee Labs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when new videos are released. Okay guys, here she is. Okay, here's the back, just looking all nice. Let me go ahead and get this open. Pull this plastic down. Let me see. Okay, take all this and put this here and put all this to the side. Oh, she's beautiful. How do you get her open? Alright, we're gonna pull these tabs right here. Let me see. Pull it. Okay, here we go. And alright, let me pull this open. Oh wow, this is nice. Apple, this is nice. Jeez, I like the little design. Oh, and two separate boxes. Okay. Alright. I see what you're doing there. I see. And put that to the side. Oh. Okay. Let me get into here and see this watch. I shake it. This is the part when I'm always, like shake it to get it open. Cool. There you go. Oh, not even oh, it's separate. It's not attached. Okay. I like that. This is small. Even for the 42 inch, it's still small. Or millimeter. Here are the documentation. I'm just gonna slide those back in here. Nobody trying to really look at those. You got your charger here. And I guess this box is kind of self-explanatory. It tells you that it's got the watch straps on here. Pull this open. Okay, there we go. Huh. We'll start off with the documentation. And oh, these are nice. I love how they give you the large and the small, so you don't have to like pay extra for that. I mean, it's already expensive enough, but then I've had to pay extra for that too. It's like, ugh. Well guys, I think this is it. Stay tuned for the review. Before I go, I'd really appreciate it if you go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment or two. It really helps me and the channel out. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.